folks, it's Adam here at Iron City Motorcycles, just with another used bike video. This bike came in part exchange, and it is a 2017 Kawasaki Ninja 650. It's the KRT edition. So it's the KRT green and black, which is a really striking colour. The bike does have an aftermarket exhaust on it, which is quite loud, must be warned. We do have the original exhaust with it also though, if you so desire. It does have a tail tidy on it, smartens up the back end. If we just go around here, see the bike has just had a brand new chain and sprocket set fitted. And the bike has Oxford heated grips fitted. It's just had a new surround for the ignition cluster. The bike does show some signs of cosmetic wear, but this is reflected accordingly. It is priced very, very keenly, priced to sell. It will come with warranty. It runs perfectly, and it's a cracking little first bike for somebody. For any more information about bikes like this, you can contact us via the website or give us a call.